Hello, Andrew again here with Cerakote, and today we're going to talk about dry spray. When properly applied, Cerakote finishes should be uniform and smooth. If your surface has a rough sandpaper-like finish, you're likely dealing with dry spray. In this video, we'll review the causes of dry spray and discuss proper spraying techniques to give your project a smooth and even finish. So, what is dry spray and what causes it? Dry spray is a rough texture created by insufficient carrier solvents to transfer during Cerakote application. The carrier solvent wets the coating out and helps it self-level to a smooth finish. Without sufficient solvent, the coating stacks with a coarse texture known as dry spray. Some causes of dry spray include spraying with too little material flow, spraying with too much atomizing air pressure, spraying too far away, moving too quickly, spraying in a warm or overly humid environment, or touching up after the coating has ambiently flashed. During the application process, it is essential to wet out the coating to prevent dry spray from occurring. Once dry spray is present on an item, it becomes very challenging to reverse its effects. To help recognize whether enough coating is being applied, we recommend using a side light when spraying. Properly applied Cerakote will have a wet reflective finish, whereas dry spray will have a rough matte finish. Your spray gun settings are crucial to achieve proper application of Cerakote without dry spray. For the IWATA LPH80, which is widely used for Cerakote application, a baseline setting of 1 turn counterclockwise on the fan pattern adjustment and 2 turns counterclockwise on the fluid adjustment will create a 2 to 3 inch wide fan pattern. The atomizing air pressure will depend on the Cerakote series you choose, and some environmental factors like booth temperature and humidity. As a baseline setting, we recommend spraying H series at 20 to 25 psi, and Elite, C, V, and Clears around 30 psi. Maintaining a proper distance from the surface is equally important. Too much distance between the spray gun and surface can cause dry spray. We recommend spraying 3 to 5 inches away from the part with a controlled, even speed. Moving too quickly can also create dry spray, so make sure that the surface is wetting out with each pass. Make sure when you dial down for hard to reach areas that you test your pattern on paper to ensure that you have a wet center in your spray pattern. For the best results in the spray booth, a room temperature between 68 and 74 degrees Fahrenheit with 20% to 50% humidity is recommended. As temperature and humidity rise, your atomizing air pressure should decrease to combat the conditions. If you're still experiencing dry spray after following this outline, try cleaning and inspecting your spray gun to ensure that the needle, nozzle, and air cap are clean and free of damage. As always, you can contact our tech team by phone or send an email to technicalsupport@cerakote.com. Remember to like and subscribe for more training and troubleshooting videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified every time we post. Thanks for watching.